Kid Rock recently posted a bizarre office tour video claiming he's being suppressed and pleading for people to buy tickets to his shows. But is someone actually working to silence him, or is something else going on here? Let's start with the suppression claim itself. Kid Rock suggests that forces are actively working against his career and keeping people away from his concerts. But according to community consensus, that narrative doesn't hold up to scrutiny. He's had direct access to federal government officials and enjoys support from right-wing media platforms. That's not what suppression looks like. Here's what most people get wrong about this. When ticket sales decline, it's tempting to look for external enemies or conspiracies. But the reality appears much simpler. Community discussion strongly suggests that nobody is suppressing Kid Rock. People just don't care about his music and performances anymore. This is basic supply and demand. If audiences aren't buying tickets, that's the free market at work, not censorship. So why the decline? Many observers point to his political alignment. His devotion to MAGA politics appears to have cost him at least half of his aging fan base. When an artist becomes closely associated with divisive political movements, they often lose broad appeal. That's a choice with consequences, not suppression. Think about what that actually means. Kid Rock has political access most musicians never get. He's had protection and platforms, yet he's framing poor ticket sales as persecution. The community consensus is clear on this. Low sales reflect declining interest and quality issues, not coordinated efforts to silence him. This isn't about left versus right either. It's about what happens when your core product, the music and live performance, no longer resonates with enough people to fill venues. The market has spoken, and what it's saying is simply that demand has dropped. So we're back where we started. Kid Rock claims suppression, but the evidence points to something far more straightforward. People aren't buying what he's selling anymore. Is declining popularity the same thing as being silenced, or are we watching someone struggle to accept that tastes have changed?